I know it's been a while since you saw my face, but please forgive me for the inconsistency. I'm really trying to find my balance. I'm doing a lot of things right now, and so I don't want it to get too overwhelming. It is overwhelming, but I don't want it to get too overwhelming. Meanwhile, I waited until I'll be able to unbox this in your front, and I don't know why. I think it's because normally whenever I get a package, I always like to unbox it immediately. If there's any issue, I can return it. These are books. I hope it's books I ordered that is here. I ordered one CEO book, and then I ordered Ogadima by what's that famous writer's name? I forgot. Which one should we start with? Okay, let's start with this one. So this is should I call it a flash drive per se? I ordered this from Jumia. It's like ta-da! I don't even know why they put this small thing inside this carton. Maybe they wanted it to be safe or something, but okay. They did not put any paper or how to use. Oh, wow. But when my phone really went bad, I regretted not having books to read, and I'm trying my best to not be so focused on, yes, phones are very important, but I'm trying to diversify how I make myself happy or how I go about my life, that I'm not so focused on a phone. And so I got this book. I want to get a romance book, but I'm just going to cut it though. I don't have strength. I got them from the 1K bookstore. This took over a month. Let me not even open the ayash, but I like the packaging. It's nice. Like I said before, I don't have energy for stress. We're gonna just cut and cut. It's so sad that all these fine nylons get cut, right? Okay. Okay, this is a turning pages, sparking journeys. I'll hold the page while you are away. Oh, okay, to put like this. Okay. The Diary of a CEO. If you don't already know, I am a CEO. I always look for how to get better in life, and when I saw this, I was like, yeah. And then this, I always wanted to read one of her books. Wait, so nobody the woman that they talk about too. I'm trying to remember her name. She's dark. She does all these TED talks. But anyway, I'll read it. I thought it was her. It was her that was the author of this one. Well, I've been seeing this a lot, and I want to check it out. Hi, what is up? Today is Sunday, and it's almost 12 in the afternoon. I did night shift, and I'm also doing morning. I'm trying to do it as a stretch because ordinarily I'm supposed to do night and then do afternoon, but I just want to go home and not come back till tomorrow. That's till Monday. Anyway, so yeah, I want to try and sleep. I was not able to sleep in the night because of a lot of mosquitoes. If you see me doing 9 to 5 in 10 years time, just please check up on me because I don't think everything is okay. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke no ready so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty faking, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby. Hello, what is up? I hope I'm in focus, so let me check. We went to the doctor today, and I don't know. I'm trying not to be sad. because I am sad of the news I heard. I'm not sure about sharing it, but it has something to do with my health, unexpected expenses, and it's not this one. This is not the one that I will save for later. I will, manage something I have to deal with, and I think going through the process, both the money and then going through the process, just makes me sad. But I don't know if you can see, this is the background of my studio. And when I went out, I also got these. Okay, I went to pick them up. I ordered them. This is my signage, and then this is the wallpaper. I hope it comes out great because I'm trying not to be sad. So any other thing that will make me sad right now, I don't want to deal with it at all.
What's up on the time? What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. Don't wanna leave you, might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. But no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. But no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize On the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. 'Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world end up be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he. Everything I love. Let me day low, let me day bell. Too short to my let me day bell. Too short you will come my day bell. Straight forward and look at the let go, yeah, yo. Go say bell. 247 me a day, yo. You know strong, make you different day, yo. Mumbo no hold me day, yo. Can't bell. Moduro, can't bell. Also plenty more to sign, yo. I've been active, I damn me sayo. No one more when was sayo. Ain't me a check, I yo. I can't know what to say, yo.
If you reach this point of this video, that is very nice. A G. A lot has been happening. I mean, since the last time I posted a vlog. As you can see, or as you can tell, I am in the middle of filming content. Meanwhile, I have opened another YouTube channel. I will no more be posting makeup videos on this particular channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I will be dropping the link in my description or in the comment section so you can check it out. Especially if you join this channel because of the beauty videos, I will be more consistent there. I will be more stable there, and you just get beauty videos. I'm very intentional about this. It's not just about I didn't just want this particular channel to be too jam-packed, and that's why I created that one on the side. And you know that if I have to create a separate YouTube channel for it, then I mean business. A lot has been going on. I thank God for life. I mean, there's been health challenges with me. There's been work. There's been life. More, I don't even think I have energy to rant, but we thank God. I have opened my new studio. I am sure I'm filming in it. Did I open it? Sorry, I just, did one or two things. Yeah, it's nice having you. It's nice seeing you. It's nice having you back on the channel. You just bear with me, eh? Like, there's a little inconsistency, kind of, and I don't know when that's going to be balanced. But until then, stick with me, please. This is the truth, thick and thin that you'll be here. Oh, we are going nowhere. We are yet in this together. Anyway, thank you for watching till the end. Till I see you in my next video. Do take care. Bye. If you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the first time you're seeing this video, you should. You definitely should. Subscribe, like, and drop a hi for me in the comment section if you are new to my channel and if you stayed to this point. See you.